Want to create professional-looking videos without spending hours editing? CapCut makes it simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Most people have great ideas, but editing can feel complicated. You need music, captions, effects, transitions, and clean visuals, all in one place. With CapCut, you can start your project, organize your clips, add effects, adjust timing, and build a polished video step by step. Whether you're making content for TikTok, YouTube, school projects, business ads, or social media promotions, CapCut gives you the tools to make your video look more creative and professional. From simple edits to cinematic designs, CapCut helps you turn your ideas into eye-catching videos that grab attention. And with CapCut Pro, you unlock even more powerful features, premium effects, advanced editing tools, and creative templates to make your content stand out. Students, this is your chance. Get CapCut Pro with the student-exclusive offer and save 50%. Click Claim Now and start creating better videos today. If you want a cheap price CapCut Pro, just comment "Buy" and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, everyone.